Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're making protein-packed chickpea chocolate chip cookies. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a food processor, add the chickpeas and peanut butter and blend on high for 1 minute. Add the egg, honey, vanilla, and continue to blend for 1 to 2 minutes, scraping down the sides every minute. You want the mixture to be entirely free of any lumps. Add the sugar, baking powder, flax seeds, oats, cinnamon, salt, then blend for another minute until well incorporated. Stir in the chocolate chips. Line a baking sheet with tin foil and coat with nonstick cooking spray. Drop rounded teaspoons of cookie dough into a baking sheet. The cookies will spread just slightly, so be sure to leave a few inches of space between each cookie. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes until the cookies have browned on the edges. Enjoy these cookies with a glass of cold milk. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.